Hello guys, welcome to my new video. 2024 Audi RS3 Expert Review. Billy Ray Audi's rambunctious performance sedan sits at the top of the subcompact A3's lineup. After a significant redesign for the 2022 model year, the 2024 Audi RS3 carries over mostly unchanged. That's alright with us. This 5-cylinder marvel has all the go-fast componentry necessary to thrill. Competitors include other small, high-power cars like the BMW M2, Cadillac CT4V Blackwing, and Mercedes-AMG Cla 45 Coupe. Collapse all chevron. What's new? Chevron standard matte carbon Atlas interior trim, red stitching for the RS design package instead of green stitching. What we think? Chevron. The 2024 Audi RS3 is the right car for drivers who desire ballistic acceleration from a subcompact sedan. A raucous turbocharged 5-cylinder engine may be the heart of the RS3's appeal. Its rear-biased AUDI system and colossal handling prowess contribute to its feral character. Whether called upon for a time attack track day or drifty fun, the RS3 has the hardware to make short work of any performance driving scenario. Although Audi's pint-sized projectile was a blast to hoon, it didn't produce better results in our instrumented testing than its predecessor. The numbers don't really matter, though, as the RS3's exhaust note is otherworldly. When the little Audi wasn't being ripped around at full tilt, we did notice road noise penetrating the cabin while driving on the highway. Minor complaints include a boost gauge that doesn't show negative pressure and tiny paddle shifters. Small detractions can't stymie our appreciation for this subcompact cannon, however, as the 2024 Audi RS3 stands apart from its competitors by offering plenty of excitement by way of a unique formula. Those who can handle the eye-watering price tag will be rewarded with a fabulous driving experience. Performance and MPGs. Chevron Audi equips the 2024 RS3 with a 2.5-litre turbocharged inline 5-cylinder engine that produces 401 horsepower and 369 pounds-feet of torque. It's the only car in our market that's offered with such an engine configuration. Audi pairs the RS3's power plant with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and AWD. The EPA rates the 2024 Audi RS3 at 1929 city, highway. In our testing, the Audi RS3 sprinted from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds. Although previous versions of the RS3 were just as quick, the current model beats the more powerful Cadillac CT4V Blackwing, which develops 472 horsepower and 445 pounds-feet of torque, off the line. The twin-turbo V6 Caddy comes with rear-wheel drive and only manages to run from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.0 seconds. RS Torque Rear, Drift Mode enabled. Chevron. The 2024 Audi RS3 utilizes a rear-biased version of the automaker's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. Not only does this setup provide prodigious traction for hard launches and corner exits, it can also send up to 50% of engine torque to the rear axle, all of which it can send instantly to either wheel. The RS3's drift mode takes advantage of this capability to allow for the big power slides. Safety ratings and features. Chevron Audi equips every 2024 RS3 with adaptive cruise control, a lane-keeping system, and semi-autonomous parking technology. Other standard gear includes automatic headlights and rain-sensing wipers. Blind spot and rear cross-traffic monitoring are optional, however. The RS3 is based on the A3, which received good crashworthiness scores in all categories evaluated by the IS for the 2023 model year. Cargo space and interior room chevron. The Audi RS3 offers more rear passenger legroom than its closest competitors from BMW and Cadillac. However, its cargo space trails the storage capacity of its rivals. Legroom, front/rear, cargo space. 2024 Audi RS3 41.2 35.2 inches 8.3 cubic feet. 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA Class 41.8 33.9 inches 11.6 cubic feet. 2023 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe 41.4 34.4 inches 12.0 cubic feet. Technology chevron. The 2024 RS3 is the top-flight version of Audi's A3 subcompact luxury sedan, so it comes stuffed with the automaker's high-tech features. Every RS3 has LED headlights and tail lights, power folding and auto-dimming side mirrors, push-button start, and an electric parking brake. A 10.1-inch infotainment display offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Other interior amenities include heated front seats, a 3-zone climate control system, wireless phone charger, and an auto-dimming rear-view mirror. Audi offers a head-up display and 23-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system as optional equipment. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.